when we get to this area of the country, we always stop in and see Fort Pulaski. It makes a good stop to stretch, and also it's wonderful to see the history of the fort. Now you can see from the walls here, that's pretty much damaged there. The Southerners used smoothbore rifles and cannons, which you were basically lucky to hit a barn. It just didn't work out well. And the Northerners had rifled cannons and guns, and they did tremendous damage. As you all know, Bruce can never miss a lighthouse. And this is St. Simon Island Lighthouse. And we also visit it every time we're in the neighborhood. And while we're in the neighborhood, we always stop at Little Talbot Island State Park. It's a lovely place to camp.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.